Hello, this is Dan from Side Hustlers Resource, and welcome to today's video. Today I want to talk about one of the easiest methods that I know of to make money online. This method is available worldwide. There are no costs whatsoever associated with it. You don't need any prior experience to get started. And the tasks that you'll need to complete in order to earn are extremely easy. We're talking about maybe 1 to 2 minutes per task. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to give you some advanced strategies that you can use to really maximize your earnings with this. But before we get started in the main training, if you'd like additional tools and strategies you can use to make more money online, then please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be aware anytime I add new content to this channel. Now we're going to get into the main part of the training where I show you exactly what you're going to need to do in order to make money. Essentially what's involved is you're going to be completing micro tasks on this site here that you see on your screen, which is microworkers.com. Now before we get too far into things, you'll need to head over to microworkers.com and come up to the top of your screen where you see this blue register button. Click on it because you're going to need to register for a free account before you can complete tasks for money. Now the sign up process on Microworkers is quite easy. All you're going to need to do is provide your name, email address, physical address, and a few other details. Then you'll confirm your email, and you'll be able to come back here and click on the login button and log in with the details that you've just created. Once you log in, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. And if I scroll down, you can see that there are quite a few jobs available to be completed. Actually, if I look at the top of my screen, I can see that there are currently 1,659 jobs available to me. And there's also in the top bar here something called HG jobs, which are hit group jobs, and we'll talk more about that in a minute. Now we are going to ignore this long-term job section because these are jobs like normal full-time and part-time positions that you can apply for. And not just jobs to make extra money online. What we want to do for the time being is look down here and see more about the type of work that you'd be doing on Microworkers. Now as you can see, there's a number of different jobs, different categories here. We have things like website testing, mobile app testing, paid surveys, sign-ups for free offers, click and search tasks, social media promotion, and more. If I click on one of the tasks, one of the categories like social media, I can see that I'm asked to do things like and share things on Instagram, like and share things on Facebook, comment on YouTube videos, and that sort of thing. So these are all the types of things that you already know how to do, and they're very quick and easy to do. Basically just social shares, making comments, and things like that. I've opened one of the jobs so that you can see in more detail what's involved. This is a simple Facebook like and share job. So all that I'm being asked to do is to follow this link that the person has given and to share the posts at that link on my Facebook wall. And then like the Facebook post. And then all you have to do to provide proof for that is to provide them with your Facebook username so that they can confirm you've shared the post. You'll also provide the URL for your public Facebook profile. And you provide that information down here by clicking on the I accept this job link. Then you'll see this box appear. Once the box appears, you just provide this information from this section right here to prove that you've liked and shared the Facebook post. You provide the information they asked for in this box and then click the button that says I confirm that I've completed this task. And that's it. And for that task, you're going to be paid 40 cents. Now I think you'll agree that liking and sharing a Facebook post is probably going to take you about 1 minute. So for 1 minute on Microworkers, you're going to make 40 cents. So that's all quite easy to do. And it's also quite easy to make the minimum payout here on Microworkers because they only require that you have a balance of $9 on your account. And you can see even in my own account, I haven't done this very often, but I have a balance currently of $12.93. So, yes, you only need $9 plus the processing fees for your payment processor. So if you use PayPal, for example, it's $9 plus PayPal fees in total in your account, and then you're able to cash out. And they do have a number of payment options available, including PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and a few others. So you do have multiple options as far as getting your payout. The barrier to getting payout is very low. So this isn't one of those opportunities where you need to work for a very long time in order to meet minimum payout. You only need to make $9, and this is available worldwide. So nearly anyone can succeed with this. If you can't make money online with this, I honestly don't know what you would do, because this is one of the simplest methods that you can possibly do. Now, I did say at the beginning of the video that if you stuck around till the end, I would give some extra tips for how to maximize your earnings. So one thing is, you really want to pay attention to the payment amounts here, what you're going to get for the task. Some of them are quite low, but some of them are much better. For example, the social media share will pay you $1, where a lot of these other tasks are paying you only 10 cents. I like to stick with tasks that pay 30 cents and above. Another thing you want to keep in mind is the success rate here. So this is the percentage of people who've completed the task, who did everything correctly and got paid. As you can see, these are very easy tasks, so the success rate for most tasks is quite high. But you do want to try to pick some tasks that you know you're going to be able to complete, that you understand the instructions fully, so that you make sure that you get paid. And this section here, where it says TTR, which is time to rate, that's how long it's going to take. That's how long the person who posted the job has to approve it and pay you out. So some of these jobs, they'll have 7 days to approve you, and some you can get paid out in as little as 1 day. So I try to focus on jobs with a very high success rate percentage, a decent payout amount, and a time to rate of 1 day, maybe 1 day or 2 days. And that will enable you to get paid out quicker and more reliably than you would with other jobs. You can also search by category and find things that you know that you can do well. So if you have social media accounts, you can select the social media section and find jobs that just involve simple shares on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and things like that. If you want to make comments on blogs, if you want to complete surveys, just find something that fits with your interests, that you have experience doing, and that you think you could do quite easily. Now, I did also mention this HG job section. If I click on it, these are hit group jobs. Now, I did say you wanted to find jobs that you could complete successfully, that you know how to do, and that had a high success rate. Now, the reason that is the case is because as you get more approvals for the jobs that you complete, more jobs will become available to you in this hit group section. So if someone has jobs that involve social media posting, and you have a lot of jobs where you're rated very well in the social media category, they will open up jobs to you that you can complete in this hit group section for additional money. Now, these jobs aren't available to anyone else, so that's why you want to make sure that you have a high rating on Microworkers and a high success rate, because you'll get more jobs available to you that aren't open to just anyone on the site. So you always make sure that you follow the instructions that the employer has provided. And that's basically it. I mean, this is one of the easiest methods that you could use. And it's very hard not to succeed with this, to be honest. So, I suggest that you try it out. Start with some tasks that you feel comfortable with. Start with tasks that will get rated fairly quickly, within a day or two, so that you can get some money more quickly and build up your balance to reach the $9 minimum payout. And then just go from there. As you continue to complete jobs, you'll get faster at it, and you'll be able to increase your earnings much more easily. So with that, thank you for watching this video. Again, like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me if you've had success with Microworkers in the past, or if you have another microtask site that you prefer to use. And let me know what you thought of the video. And I hope you'll come back to watch our future content. And thank you very much.